'Cause I'm a fool for your love.
It's about 3 p.m. in the evening and about 6 degrees Celsius. So pretty cold today. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an awesome day. So this behind me, right? A couple months ago there was a typhoon, so I taped up right here and I tried to remove it, but it won't come off, and I've been procrastinating for weeks now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt to take it off using soap and an egg lifter. So I'm hoping that it comes off because I don't want to damage the people window. It's a bit dark, but I hope you guys can see me. Okay, so I have dishwashing liquid and a little bleach in this. So I'm gonna just put it on this, rub it on it. If this doesn't work, I don't know what to do. I am almost there, but these, I guess the glue part, it won't come off, but at least the brown is coming off, which is more obvious. This is the best that I could do at this time. I'm gonna have this for dinner now, ramen. This is the brand that I usually get. Gonna pour hot water in it. And then I'm gonna leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna make my fruit smoothie. Blueberries. I use blueberry, strawberry, and mango. Adding pineapple. I'm gonna add 2 bananas to this thing because my bananas are very ripe. And cranberry juice, which I'm almost out of. Usually use pineapple juice. I'm using camera juice today. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator until the ramen is ready. Now I'm gonna pour out the hot water from this. Gonna add the sauce. This thing, I don't know what this is for. I still add it. And I always try to add pepper in it. So mix. So dinner is served. I'm about to head out to the party. It's a full black. I don't know how I'm gonna manage in this weather. Party time, guys.
I got this one on my neck over here. I'm like, it's not that cold anymore. I'm good.
Drugs, no